Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Doc Talks Finnish. If you are living in Finland, planning to move here, or waiting for permanent residence, this video is for you. In 2026, Finland introduced some of the biggest immigration law changes in recent years. These changes affect permanent residence permits, language requirements, work history, and even the path to Finnish citizenship. In this video, I'll explain everything in simple English using information from official Finnish government sources. Let's begin. The biggest change is the waiting period for a permanent residence permit. Before 2026, many people became eligible after 4 years of continuous residence in Finland. From the 8th of January 2026, the standard rule changed. Most applicants now need 6 years of continuous residence with an A permit before applying for permanent residence. However, Finland has also introduced alternative pathways. Some people may still qualify after 4 years if they meet stricter integration requirements, such as stronger language skills or specific educational qualifications. So, 6 years is now the standard route, but there are exceptions. Previously, there was no general language requirement for permanent residence. Now, applicants usually need to demonstrate sufficient Finnish or Swedish language skills. For the standard pathway, the required level is generally B1. This means you should be able to handle everyday conversations, understand normal spoken language, write simple texts, and communicate independently. If you have been postponing learning Finnish, this change makes it much more important. Another completely new requirement is work history. Under the standard route, applicants generally need at least 2 years of work history in Finland. This requirement is part of Finland's new integration policy. The government wants permanent residence to reflect not only time spent in Finland but also participation in working life and society. The changes are not only stricter, some people can still qualify earlier. For example, applicants with particularly strong Finnish or Swedish language skills may qualify through a shorter residence pathway if they also meet the required work history. Certain higher education graduates also have alternative pathways under the new rules. These options have their own eligibility requirements, so they are not automatic. Many people confuse permanent residence with citizenship. These are different. Finland has also changed the residence requirement for citizenship. The general residence requirement has increased from 5 years to 8 years, although some applicants may still qualify earlier if they meet specific legal conditions. So if your long-term goal is a Finnish passport, it is important to understand that citizenship now generally takes longer than before. What should you do now? First, start learning Finnish or Swedish as early as possible. Second, keep records of your employment and make sure your work history is properly documented. Third, always follow information from official websites because immigration laws can change. Don't rely only on social media posts or rumors. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe to Doc Talks Finnish, and share this video with friends and family who are living in Finland or planning to move here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.